Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
You just landed in Germany. You step out of the airport, and suddenly, everything is in German. No English menus, no clear signs, and someone asks you a question in German. You freeze. What do you say? In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to give you 30 essential German phrases that can turn confusion into confidence. By the end of this video, you won't just survive your trip, you'll enjoy it. Let's begin. Section 1. First Impressions, Basic Greetings. Let's start simple, because first impressions matter. Phrase 1. Hallo. Hello. Short, easy, universal. Phrase 2. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Use it until about 11 a.m. Phrase 3. Guten Tag. Good day. This works almost any time. Phrase 4. Guten Abend. Good evening. Phrase 5. Tschüss. Bye. Casual and very common. Section 2. Politeness, the key to Germany. In Germany, politeness is everything. Phrase 6. Danke. Thank you. Phrase 7. Vielen Dank. Thank you very much. Phrase 8. Bitte. This one is powerful. It means both please and you're welcome. Phrase 9. Entschuldigung. Excuse me or sorry. Use this often. Phrase 10. Es tut mir leid. I'm sorry. More serious than Entschuldigung. Section 3. Getting help. Phrase 11. Sprechen Sie Englisch? Do you speak English? Very important. Phrase 12. Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. Phrase 13. Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Can you repeat that, please? Phrase 14. Hilfe. Help. Use only in emergencies. Phrase 15. Wo ist die Toilette? Where is the restroom? Trust me, you'll need this. Section 4. Navigation und Transport. Phrase 16. Wo ist? Where is? Fill in anything. Hotel, station, restaurant. Phrase 17. Wo ist der Bahnhof? Where is the train station? Phrase 18. Fährt dieser Zug nach? Does this train go to? Phrase 19. Wie komme ich nach? How do I get to? Phrase 20. Wie viel kostet das? How much does it cost? Section 5. Dining out. Phrase 21. Die Speisekarte bitte. The menu, please. Phrase 22. Ich nehme das. I'll take that. Phrase 23. Das ist lecker. That's delicious. Say this, it's appreciated. Phrase 24. Ein Wasser bitte. A water, please. Phrase 25. Die Rechnung bitte. The bill, please. Section 6. Shopping und daily use. Phrase 26. Was ist das? What is that? Phrase 27. Haben Sie das billiger? Do you have this cheaper? Phrase 28. Kann ich mit Karte zahlen? Can I pay by card? Phrase 29. Nur Barzahlung? Cash only? Phrase 30. Alles klar. All right or got it. You'll hear this a lot. And there you have it. 30 essential German phrases that can completely change your travel experience. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need fluency. You just need effort. Because in Germany, even trying the language earns respect. So save this, practice it, and next time you land in Germany, you won't feel lost. You'll feel ready. Safe travels, and enjoy the journey.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.